Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Etsy shop, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start your Etsy shop registration, go to the Etsy website. Once there, look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the home page. If you don't already have an account, click on register. You will be prompted to enter your email address, first name, and password. After filling in your details, click the register button. Once your account is created, you will be redirected to your Etsy homepage. Next, locate the Sell on Etsy option, usually found at the top of the page. Click on this option to begin the shop setup process. You will be prompted to click on Open your Etsy shop. Select your preferred language, country, and currency for your shop. Once you've made your selections, click Save and Continue. Now it's time to choose your shop name. Your shop name should be unique and reflect your brand. Enter your desired shop name in the provided field. If the name is available, click Save and Continue. Next, you'll need to add listings for your products. Click on Add a listing to begin this process. Upload clear, high-quality images of your products. Add an engaging title, description, price, and any applicable shipping details. Make sure to fill in all required fields accurately. Once you have added your first listing, click Save and Continue. You may want to set up payment options for your shop. Choose how you want to receive payments from customers. Provide any necessary information for your selected payment method. After setting this up, click Save and Continue again. You will then be asked to set your shop policies. Include details about shipping, returns, and exchanges. Make sure your policies are clear to avoid misunderstandings. Click Save and Continue once you have completed this section. Finally, review your shop details to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, click on the Open Your Shop button. Congratulations, your Etsy shop is now registered and ready for business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.